Hello, welcome you all my dear students and friends. Here we learn various important topics which is very much relevant to our life simultaneously, that is very much useful for the competitive exams, mainly the OPSC and UPSC. Okay, and we learn here the history, geography, polity, and we have already started on our journey of geography on world physical geography, the last video where we learned about the solar system. And in this class we will try to know in details about our star, that is sun. Okay, actually our solar system that consists a star, that is sun, 8 planets, dozens of dwarf planets, more than 200 moons, asteroids, meteorites, etc. And entire solar systems are surrounded by the star in our solar system named as the sun. And in this class we will learn in detail about the sun. Sun, it's a star. It is a hot glowing of gases. Okay, that is located at the center of our solar system. Where it is located? That is located at the center of our solar system. In fact, since 16th century onwards, through the various telescope, through the various scientific and mathematical evidence that suggests that sun is at the center of our solar system. Where the sun is located? It is located at the center of our solar system. In fact, in 151 AD, where the astronomer Ptolemy, what he said on the geocentric view, where he said Earth is at the center and the other planets, moon, asteroids and meteorites, they surrounded around the Earth. But in the 16th century, Nicholas Copernicus, through his heliocentric model, he proved that it is not the Earth but it is sun is at the center of our solar system. Clear now? It means that a long period where the concept was that Earth was at the center, but it was Nicholas Copernicus who proved with his mathematical evidence and later on various telescopes and the various programs that established that it is not the Earth but it is sun is at the center of our solar system. But next, it is not only located at the center of our solar system, in fact it is the largest object in our solar system. It is the largest object in our solar system. In fact, more than 99% of mass, more than 99% of entire mass of our solar system lies in sun. How much? More than 99% of entire mass lies in sun. Got it? Everybody have understood that sun is the largest object in our solar system, which mass is comprises around 99.8%, and 0.2% only comprises remaining 8 planets, moons, asteroids, meteorites, etc. Okay, so it means that all the 8 planets, they will fit within the sun. Fine. So due to this mass, the sun has a great pull, the sun has a great gravity, and that resulted all the 8 planets revolve around the sun. So far what we have clear, that sun is at the center of our solar system, and that has proved by the Copernicus and in later number of evidence. Then we have also learned that it is the largest object in our solar system. Okay, and which mass is around 99.8%, and only 0.2% are remaining planets, moons, asteroids, meteorites, comets, and etc. Got it now? Okay. Next, in fact, the sun has 6 major layers are there. 6 major layers are there. What are those? Please note it, guys. Please note it. The first one is the corona. What is that? Corona. Lek rahe ho na? Why look? The sun has been classified into the 6 major layers. One is corona. Next one is, please note it. Next one is chromosphere. Next, chromosphere. 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 Next one is photosphere. So corona, chromosphere, then photosphere. Please note it, huh? Then photosphere, corona, chromosphere, photosphere, then convective zone, then convective zone, convective, convective zone, then radiative zone, and the and that is core. So please note it, the 6 zone: corona, chromosphere, photosphere, convective zone, radiative zone, and core. Got it? Okay. In fact, this core now, let me tell a little bit about this core. Here the temperature, it is very high. The temperature is very high. Okay, we cannot bear around 40 degrees Celsius, but here in the core of the sun, where the temperature is 150 million degrees Celsius. How much? 150 million degree Celsius. Okay, got it? The sun's temperature is very high at the core, that is 150 million degrees Celsius. Million degree Celsius. Got it now? The core of the sun is 15 million degrees Celsius. It is not 150, it is 15 million degree Celsius. Fine. Got it? And the process, the chemical reactions takes place at the core. And what is the name of that? That is nuclear fusion. That is nuclear fusion. It means that it converted the hydrogen element, they fuse with one another and form helium. And clear now? So what we understood so far, it is located at the center of our solar system. It is the largest object in our solar system, where more than 99% of mass are only occupied by the sun. And then we understood there are 6 layers: corona, chromosphere, photosphere, convective zone, radiative zone, and core. In the core, we understood the temperature is very high, that is more than 15 million degrees Celsius are there, and where the element, hydrogen element, they fuse with one another and form helium. Okay, and that process is called as nuclear fusion, and this generate heat, light, energy. Okay, and that is the reasons. Okay, that is the reasons the life is possible, because it release huge amount of energy. Okay, it release huge amount of energy. Fine. In fact, लिख लिए ना, नहीं तो okay. So in fact, the sun has 3 major things are there. It is fiery in nature. Fire. It is fiery in nature. First, it is a huge magnetic field. It has a huge magnetic field. And the last one, that is very, very important, it has a strong gravitational pull. It has a strong gravitational pull. But it is fiery in nature, fire, magnetic field, and it has a huge gravitational pull, and that help. And these are the three things that help or the heart of the solar system. These are the three major things of the sun. So we understood now. What we understood about the core and about the important characteristics of sun. About the important characteristics of sun. In fact, the sun, it is mainly made up of two major gases named as I told in the nuclear fusion, that is hydrogen and helium. That is hydrogen and helium. Okay, that is hydrogen and helium. Clear? Hydrogen constitute highest amount, then after helium. Then, okay, the sun. The sun, at present here I am trying to find out the scientific evidence, but sun is called or regarded as a god. Sun is the ultimate source of energy to us. In fact, this is 4.5 billion years old. 4.5 billion years. Billion. It means that more than 405 crores of years ago it was formed. Okay. In fact, it will also not live last, because we know that कोई भी नहीं जी सकता पर, right? It means that it has also a lifespan around 6.5 years. For the scientists, they estimated that the gas of fuel hydrogen may be over one day around 6.5 years. 6.5 billion years. 6.5 billion years. So how much it is old so far? It is 4.5 billion years old, and it may be live longer. Its life expectancy around 6.5 billion years old. Which one? The sun. Okay. And sun is well known for its size, mass, heat and light. Okay. The sun is well known for its size. Okay. Clear? In fact, because of the sun, due to sun's gravity, all the other planets, asteroids, meteorites, they revolve and they are in a static equilibrium, right? Otherwise, if the sun's gravitational would not there, it may drift down into space. All the 8 planets would drift down into space if the sun's gravitation is not there. If the sun is not there, the life would not be possible. Neither you nor I nor anybody will exist. कोई भी जी नहीं सकता किसके बिना? सन के बिना. ओके, तो मत सोचो कि दूसरे के बिना तुम नहीं जियोगे, सन के बिना नहीं जियोगे. ठीक है? So yes, nobody can sustain its life without sun's heat and light and energy, right? Okay, clear? So we understood about the sun's heat and light. In fact, not only we the human being, the biodiversity, neither plants nor any animals, tigers, elephants, all the biodiversity, nobody can survive without the presence of sun's heat and light. Right? Clear? In fact, the sun also rotates on its own axis. The sun also rotates on its own axis. Okay? How much long it takes? It takes around 25 to 33 days in order to complete one rotation. 25 to 33 days. The sun takes around 25 to 33 days to complete one rotations on its own axis. Got it? Okay. Clear now? A very important question is there. So the sun completes its one rotations within 25 to 33 days, right? It varies. Okay. Another important thing. The distance between the sun and the earth. Okay. It is around 150 million kilometer. It is 150 million kilometer. Another fact, very important fact, the sun's light, it takes 8 minutes. How much? 8 minutes, 3 seconds to reach the surface of the earth. So if there will be a questions, what is the durations of time of light to reach at the earth's surface? It is 8 minutes 3 seconds. Another interesting question is there. Actually, what is the speed of light? What is the speed of light? How much? It is 3 lakh kilometer, okay, per second. How much? 3 lakh kilometer per second. It means that 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second. Please note it. 3 lakh kilometer per second, and the light travels 8 minutes per second. Okay, so the sun, it takes around 25 to 33 days to complete its one rotation. Okay, another interesting fact is there. That is the distance from sun to earth. Sun to earth. Okay, the sun to earth. How much? It is. How much? How much? 15. How much? 150 million kilometer. Okay, so the distance between the sun to earth is called as, or in fact it is also called as astronomical unit, and that is the distance that, okay, used for the distance between a longer one planet to another, right? And another one, the sun's light, it travels how much? 8 minutes. 8 minutes and 3 seconds to reach the earth's surface. So if there will be questions, how long the light takes time to reach at the earth's surface? That is 8 minutes 3 seconds. How much? That is 8 minutes 3 seconds. Another question, please note it. What do you mean by astronomical unit? What do you mean by astronomical unit? Okay. Please note the questions, the meaning of astronomical unit. And another one, the importance of sun. Why do the ocean is important? How much? It generates light, heat and energy. Okay, and that helps in the process of photosynthesis, that helps to keep the earth warm. Okay, so these are the certain things which we will learn about the sun. Okay, so we understood about the sun in detail, and if anybody has any doubt related to sun, then please ask me. Okay. And in the next class, we will learn in details about the other remaining planets, about the terrestrial, about the Jovian planets in details. Okay, thank you all. And if you feel good, please comment and subscribe, right? Have a great time to all my dear students.